I've been skiing Squaw Valley since I was 2 years old, and going from skiing powder, the steeps that we have here, and having a blast dropping big airs really set it up for me, and I got into surfing. For me, growing up skiing and also enjoying the ocean, you know, it's pretty awesome to be able to kind of change the two. And I think, you know, skiing really complements surfing, and surfing does the same with skiing. And it's nice to be able to use different body muscles that kind of really set you up for the next sport. You know, I've skied my entire life, and I've always loved the ocean. I think it really complements the action sport athlete to be able to go and ski and then have that same confidence in the water. That's what really makes it addicting for me, to be able to do water and snow. The cool thing about, you know, living in the Bay Area, I can surf early morning in the springtime when we have a little more light, and be out of the water at 9 o'clock, hightail it, be here by around noon, and have another 4 hours to ski. And I mean, there's no place like that. And to be able to do 2 in 1, that's the best thing in the world.